Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to hide a page from search engines in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website build using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to hide a page from this website from search engines like Google, just go to this icon, pages and navigation, click on it. This new window slides in. Here you will see all the visible pages on your website, and select on or next to the page you want to hide from search engines, click on these three dots and you will see this menu. Here select SEO setting. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. SEO settings. Click on it. You will see this SEO page or window. Here, next to hide page from search results, enable this option. After that, close this window. Click on update website button to publish this change online. And this is how to hide a page from search engines in Hostinger website builder. Don't forget to give this video a like, and thank you.